All right, now let's jump over to number 2. If I wanted to, since we're in the key of E, what have we not talked about? The C chord. If I want to take this C chord and move it to E, I'm going to take my third finger, right? And I'm going to put it at the 7th fret because that's an E note. So I'd put the capo at the 4th fret, play my C chord. My first finger is in the 5th fret on the 2nd string. That's an E note. So if I capo the 4th fret, I play 1, 4, 5, C, F, G. That's going to sound E, A, B because of the capo. So let's do number 2. I'll stay capoed at the 2nd fret. You're capoed for where you need to be for that A chord to sound E. And let's do number 2 with a different strum pattern. So strum pattern 13 is 1 and 2, 3, down, up, down, down. Here we go. 2, 3,